let's get to it. Hi honeys, ooh, my newborn. Hi honeys, I'm back with another video. Honey bunnies or whatever we're gonna call y'all. I'm just gonna start with honey. Okay, so look, for today's video, I'm gonna show y'all females and y'all males. If y'all want y'all males with me to show y'all too, I can show y'all too. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can get cute, man, for Instagram, so y'all can take some good pictures. Or if you want to go get yourself a man, you know what I'm saying, I can help you too. And we got my hair braided so it can be like wavy and stuff. Look, I know I say eating. I'm human. I gotta eat. I'm Hispanic. I be eating all the time. I'm sorry. Every video I'm gonna have some food because I be hungry all the time. I don't know what's wrong with my stomach, but I be hungry, man. As I said, I know I look rough, but give me a minute, because in a minute I'm gonna look cute. So give me a minute. Okay, so what we're gonna start with is our brows. I honestly ran out of pomade. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ebony pomade, but a little Hispanic ran out of it, so we don't really got that pomade no more. So what I'm going to replace it with is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I know it's a little bust down a little. It was like, it's so busted down. It was like, busted down, Tatiana. Too much busting down. Oh, I broke it. I made it completely break. That's embarrassing. Yep, that's that. So for my brows, I use 4 types of brushes. I use 2 of these, which are supposed to be liner brushes, but I use them because they're sharp and pointy, and I like and then a spoolie, and then this brush to blend out the concealer and stuff, which I got it. Oh, you can't see that. I'm looking rough. This shade right here, yes ma'am. And I'm gonna just use that for my brows because I don't got no Anastasia Beverly. She ran out. She like, baby, you out. I just started with outlining them, you see, and filling out like blank spots that I got, and do a little hand movement stuff. Not want them natural. I don't want them dark. Just here for the brows, you're just filling out the blank spots. Okay, so now you see this part in the middle. This is what I do. I do a line right here, but you gotta be don't go too heavy with doing the line. Like just spool it out. That's not even a word. That's not a terminology. Spool it out with the foot, and then like with the brush, go up. Grab the spoolie. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, and then like brush it up. Hop on top. I wanna ride. I do. Grabbing the Huda Beauty concealer. This is the shade Granola. Ha! You see how I did a line straight from here to here? Now here is where you turn your turning point, and then you like do a little curve, like if you was driving. I don't know how to drive. Well, I do know how to drive, but like I ain't the best at it. But yeah, you do a little turn, change the brush to the side, then you like da na 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 da na 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 na. Okay, now and to do the top, we're just going to like do the brush like that, and we're gonna outline it more and carve it out. But honestly, look, what I gotta do is take off my hat, and now I got the Snoop Dogg braids because there's one ready, and I gotta do the next. Ew, I look rough. No, man. So as you can see, I got my eyebrows done. I should have done the unibrows to look more cute, man, because I would look cute with the unibrow. What's that one basketball player that got a unibrow? I don't know, but man, he got a wife, never mind. Okay, so the next tip to be some girls speak right. Okay, so the next step to being cute is where you're gonna grab some concealer and make the base, and just a little dot. Honestly, this Tarte Shape Tape goes a long way, so it's just a little bit, and it's just like the canvas to your eyeballs, So yeah, tap it in there, tap, and be careful because this is a lighter shade than the rest of my. Oh, Snoop Dogg coming out. What's up, dude?
I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me.
As I was saying, just blend it out. Yeah, that's it. Just blend it. So now for the eyeshadow, I like to keep it simple. I like to keep it cool because like I don't want it too much like on my face. Like my face is really pretty and cute and whatnot, but like I don't want like heavy makeup today. This is just like my regular chill makeup that I do for like Instagram pictures. So what I like to do is, dang it, I I just finished breaking my palette. Dang, look, it's in 3 pieces. It's this piece, and it's this piece, and it's this piece, man. This joint broke. It been through hell and back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab these 2 shades and just like blend out, and then I'll use this shade right here. So now I'm gonna use a darker shade, which is gonna be this one that I use all the time, and this one was gonna be done, and it's gonna be finito because I know it's gonna break. My eyeshadow palette, this one been through hell, man. But yeah, this one is gonna be like the crease thing. And I know all the terms because I used to watch beauty gurus and stuff. But the problem is I stopped watching them, and then now I'm like, ooh, girl, what you talking about? I forgot. No, I'm just kidding. I still remember. This is the inner corner, outer corner. Yes, ma'am. Terminology. We're going to do this shade in swiper motions because I want it all over my eyeshadow. I mean, all over my eye. Because we're going to bling it out with a shimmer later. Because it's like a natural but a soft look. So we are going to be using this shade called Obsessed, and we're going to put it like all over here so it can give it like a pop of color, and then we're going to use another shade on the inner corner because so it can be another pop of color. Oh, you see that? Yes, ma'am. That's a Jaclyn Hill palette. Honestly, Morphe, let's do a collab. We can create one better than the Jaclyn Hill. Oh, yes. T drama. I said what I said, and I meant what I said. Yes, ma'am. The next step to this is some eyeliner, and honestly, I just had to go to the dollar store and get me some cheap eyeliner because my good eyeliner right now, man, I'm running out of everything, man. Sponsor me. No, just kidding. Okay, so make a line. This is gonna be like your outline, straight up. And then what you're gonna do is, you know what I'm saying? And then just fill it all in. Just grab your concealer, and then you're gonna be zoom. Gotta put a little bit on the outside so you can get your fine print. Okay, now go in. So as you seen, I popped some eyelashes, and it changed the whole look. Like, eyelashes are like a gift from God, honestly. Because eyelashes, man, like, honestly, look like this. I look so cute. At the inner corner, I'm going to put some white little powder, like a little cold. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to just grab my finger because my brush is all the way over there, and I want to go get them. So, and fingers be working too. That is the eye part. Honestly, look, I really don't do foundation at all because I don't like it at all. And it's called Riot. Yeah. And it's like my natural color, and it's gonna look good with my what's it called, my little outfit that I got planned for me. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna put the highlighter that goes like here, so like you can shine. I don't got a mirror, but you honestly don't need a mirror. You can just use your phone, cause your phone good at, like, you know what I'm saying. To make these braids is what I used was like I grabbed the water bottle, and I grabbed some gel. It's called the mocha one. It's this one right here. And then I put it in the bottle, and then I shook it, and then I made a mixture. It's my own mixture that I made. Because I don't like when gel be too, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, when you put it on your hair, and then it get all hard and stuff. I don't like when it be doing that. So that's why I mix it with some water. So as you can see, they're out, and just, like, play around with it so it can, like, not look too rough and stuff. So what I think I'm going to do, you know, is, like, make a braid right here. Because that would be cute. Or, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but so as you can see, what I decided to go with was like I did a braid, and then like this is cute, and honestly my pictures are gonna come out. I wish I could speak Italian though. But anyways, yeah, this is my look. I think I should do my baby hairs. I don't know, but yeah, that is the end for my video. If you like my little tutorial on my Instagram makeup look, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna insert some pictures right here on the finished product right now. Oh yeah, that's me, you know what I'm saying? I look cute and whatnot. Finger looking good. That's what it is. That's the goal. If you ain't finger looking good, I don't know what to tell you, man. Bye.